what's up, what's happening, what's going on, wagwan and hola. I am Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. All right, y'all, so it is Christmas Day. Merry Christmas to all of you guys out there in the world watching my videos. You will see this video after Christmas, but today is Christmas, so I just wanted to say Merry Christmas. Yeah, and happy holidays to everyone out there. I just got ready. I am on my way. Well, I'm about to go to my parents' house in a few, but I wanted to make some brownies for my two brothers for another part of their Christmas gift. So I wanted to make some homemade Christmas brownies for them, so I know they'll enjoy that. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm in the kitchen about to bake these brownies real quick, and then I'm gonna head to my parents' house to celebrate Christmas with them, but that's gonna be in another video. So let me show you what I got going on. Okay, so this is the brownie mix that I decided that I wanted to make. It's just regular chewy fudge brownies. And this is the one I had before. It has walnuts in it. This is actually my personal favorite with the walnuts. But since I'm not making them for me, I'm going to make the regular chewy fudgy brownies. And I got these little they're not really M&Ms. They're called chocolate lentils. So they're just basically like M&Ms, but the generic one. Found this at the store, so yeah, because I couldn't find any red and green M&Ms. I got some sprinkles here, some mints. I got some Oreo minis. I got these little tins that I'm going to put the brownies in. I got this decorative shred that I'm going to put inside the tin, and then I'm going to put the brownies on top. I have these different icings over here. This is a white sparkly gel. This is a plain white one. And then I have a yellow and a green. Yeah, basically I'm just going to use this sprinkle right here. And maybe a little gold. And maybe a little red. I don't know. It depends. And then these are my little piping utensils. That's what I'm gonna call it for right now because I can't think of the name. But yes, so this is what I have. This should not take that long. So yes, let me start mixing up the brownie mix and I will be back. So the mix calls for 3 large eggs, water, and vegetable oil. Fudgy brownies or cake-like brownies, I am gonna do fudgy brownies. I'm gonna do the 2 eggs, 1/4 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of oil. Let's see, preheat oven at 350. And I'm gonna use a metal pan. Spread at 350. I have an 8x8 pan. 31. Oh Lord. Okay. All right, let me get started. So for the eggs, I have this container right here. I'm going to use 2 eggs. I'm going to crack them in this bowl first so that if there's any shells, I'll be able to see it before I add it to the bowl. There's a shell. So it's easier for me to see. This is what you do. Put it in a clear bowl first. So I got my eggs, my mix. All right, so here is my pan, and I am about to, well, grease it. This is just some extra virgin olive oil, and I'm just greasing it up. Greasing that up, and now I'm gonna pour the batter. Empty bowl, pan, and we're about to pop this in. All right, so now we have to wait about 32 minutes. Let's wait about 32 minutes. 12:17. All right, so I'll be back in a second to take that out the oven. So it's been about 30 minutes. Time check. 12:46. So I'm going to stick this toothpick in the center of the brownies to see if they're done. It's not done. All right, so the brownie is out of the oven. I'm gonna stick another hole with my toothpick to see about the center. Oh, it's clean. All right, so while the brownie, which is right there, while that is cooling, I'm gonna take the decorative shred and I'm gonna add it to these tins right here. And this is where I'm gonna put the brownies in. So I'm just gonna literally just dump a little bit. Dump a little bit in here. This is the icing that I'm gonna be using. And it comes with this cap right here. And I'm taking the cap off and I'm gonna be using this top to this directly to it. That's what it looks like. And then I'm just gonna use this like a pen to kind of do like a little swirly action on the brownie. All right, so I'm about to cut into this brownie here. I'm gonna do little squares. So right here. And another like right here. And then across. Perfect. So I cut the brownies out of the pan. And the greasing that I did on the bottom of the pan was pretty good. That's just some crumbles that fell off, but nothing really stuck to the bottom of the pan. So that's cool. And then I placed the squares on this cooling rack right here. And I'm only going to use the most perfect squares to decorate and give to my brothers. So like this one is pretty good. That one is cool. These two are straight. That one. I mean, this one right here is a little busted, but they all look decent. That one's kind of busted. Start decorating these so I could get up out of this house and head to my parents' house. So I'll be back with the icing. All right, so I got them all iced up, looking nice, and I'm gonna be using these sprinkles right here to decorate them. Oh shit. What? They ain't got no little sprinkle top? Damn it. Okay, so this gonna be a little messy. Damn, I thought it had a little sprinkle top. Okay. All right, let me just, and I'll put a pan underneath so it'll catch the fallout. These cute, baby. These cute, baby. I might not add nothing else to it. This is already just cute enough. This is cute enough, baby. Giving me Christmas all day. These look so good. Oh my gosh. I added those two little Oreos to the top of that one, but I don't like how that looks. And if I take it off, it's going to mess up the icing. So I'm just going to leave that like that. But these are cute, baby. Yes, I'm going to add these to the container. And I am going to head out. That's it. I'm not using anything else. I'm probably going to sprinkle some Oreos around the brownies. But other than that, I am done, baby. Yes, this is so cute. This is so cute and so easy. Super, super simple. So, yes, I did that. All right, y'all. So, I'm done with these brownies, baby. This is how they are looking. That's one can. And the second can. These brownies came out super, super cute, and they were super, super easy. So yes, on that note, I'm about to take these over to my parents' house along with the rest of their gifts. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend. And I'll see y'all next time. Later.